Welcome to part 3 of this video, where we'll check out what else is left in the box here for us to take a look at. It does come with a cable here, standard cable. What else has it got? It's got instructions that some people like to read. And so should I, if I plan to get this to run at all. Hopefully it is as simple as they say, just like press a button and it runs. But I guess you're going to have to do some setup with an app, so we'll have to figure out how that works. And I hope this works as well as they say, because I could use a good repeater. This feels really light, although a lot of good stuff is jam-packed into it, and I'm sure I'm going to have to change the password now because you guys saw it. Magic, Hollywood magic. See you all in the next one. Take care, guys.
Likey.